crude oil, surprisingly, is forming a higher low and then turn up from here. So that is probably one of the effect during the holiday season. So previously we have chopping movement, chopping up, tested the support, lower high, tested the support, lower high, tested the support, and also can consider as this relatively weak rally. And here is a higher low, and seems like I want to turn up from here. So we discussed this critical zone many times. 72 to 74 is the critical zone. So in order for it to avoid the capitulation movement to the downside, break below 65, you need to commit and stay above 72 to 74. So it means it's going to go up, break out, and then going into test the other end of the sideways movement. So this is the trading range, big trading range. And if we could break out from here, commit above 72 to 74, and then this is going to be the immediate target, 78. Okay, that's crude oil. Bitcoin, on the other end, confirm the risk of market environment. So if we look at this structure, that looks like probably a topping structure. So we have an uptrust, selling into strength. So if we examine a few key bars, so there's a lot of the supply, choppy, so selling into strength, rejection. Here is another high supply level. Here is selling into strength for this 2 bar when it's actually reaching 100K. And after that, that is an inability to rally. So we could probably do something like this. That is a sign of weakness, inability to rally, coming back down, and look at this type of the rally. So this is very weak. And if it break below, this is the really just a minor support level. 92K is a minor support. If we see a breakdown, next support could be 75 to 78. So somewhere around here will be the next support level. So just based on a one-to-one projection. So if we see a breakdown, then it's likely going to test 75 to 78K and then to chop around from here. So that will become a even bigger trading range. So right now, in order to avoid this danger zone, you need to quickly rally away. So I don't feel quite comfortable with this weak rally. So the rally is just too weak, and there's a lot of the selling into strength, especially approaching the 100K level. So if the demand is just too weak, then it's likely going to break this 92K level and then going into 78K. Gold futures. So this is still technically up channel, but we're probably going to see another test of the access line 2570. So it needs to form its own structure. So that is really just another structure is forming, but long-term structure doesn't change at all. There's still a high low structure, but in terms of the swing, here is probably still in a pullback mode. Silver. So in terms of silver, if silver is a leading indicator to go, then this is probably a reference point. A sign of weakness, weak rally, reversal, likely going down, lower low, and to test support level. So that should drag down gold as well, unless gold can just hold up. So this is part of the larger trading range. We have a rally, that is the trading range. We have an uptrust, a temporary commitment coming back down. So it could still take some time to chop around in this big trading range between 20, 27 to about 33. So that is a trading range. Dollar index, on the other hand, shows a lot of the strength. So with the strong dollar, and we could really just see some headwind to the silver and also to the gold futures. Likely we should see a higher target for dollar index. So this is bullish flag after a breakout from the falling wedge. Bullish flag is forming. Supply has been decreasing. It's probably also due to the holiday season. And next target would be 100 or 110. So that is the next target. The key is we don't really have a lot of the supply right at the resistance level. So that is a bullish sign for dollar index.